Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how to write your second program in JustBASIC language. The first thing you should do if you haven't downloaded the JustBASIC app, just go ahead and type www.justbasic.com and in the website just go ahead and download your own issue of JustBASIC program. And I already downloaded the JustBASIC program application, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Here you go. Okay, now I'm going to explain you the code statements one by one and what they really mean, and so you can have a better understanding of the code statements, and then you can develop yourself to a certain degree and write your own code statements to consist your own programs. Okay, the program we're going to create today is named Legend of the Mighty Gilgamesh. Now I named it, changed the name into Gilgamesh because Gilgamesh was an important mythological character and Mesopotamian mythology, and so the first thing you should know that we will use three main command statements to write this program, and one of them is print. Okay, as you can guess, the print command statement just writes your written script and just passes it down into the script editor. Okay, so if you were to print something else, like if you write hello, my name is Gilgamesh into the print command statement, we will see something like this when we run the program, as you can see. Okay, so this is what the print command statement does basically, and later we will use the input command statement. The input command statement, I can't explain you very well right now, but you will see in the program, you will see in the later part of the video that input command statement just applies the input according to the variable you have stated previously. And the next command statement that we're going to use is the CLS command statement. The CLS command statement has a very particular job in the program with JustBASIC language. The CLS command statement just clears the page and clears the page for our next command statements. Again, we will have a better understanding of this particular command statement in the further parts of the video. Okay, so if you're ready, we can begin writing our command statements. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add a few print command statements to make it a better program. Sorry, you can add as many as you want. It won't change a thing in the after parts of the program. If you run the program, you will see something like this. As you can see, the prints in the previously part that we have written is not seen. There's just blank. If you don't add this many prints, if you just add the first print statement, we will see something like this. So basically I'm just adding the extra print statements to make it aesthetically beautiful. Now let's continue. You can add your name. Okay, so now we're ready to write our program. Now let's start with a basic statement. Okay guys, as straightforward as this game might be, it's always better to write some instructions about the game. The first thing we should do is that we should add our CLS command statement. But first, before that, of course, we should add our input command right at the end of the command statements. Okay, so we're gonna have to define a variable for our input command, and this particular variable will be the enter key. Okay, semicolon, and input the $sign. Okay, please please don't forget to use this input after the input command, because if you don't use this, the input command won't work. It won't run properly. Okay, after you write this, we're going to continue. Okay, so basically this particular code statement tells if you press the enter key, it will continue the further part of the program. It will continue running the program when you press the enter key. So, okay. Now we can add our CLS command. Just like I told you before, the CLS command just erases the whole thing, and it pauses the prompt until a further command statement is written. So I'm gonna add the CLS command statement right now. Okay. Now we're ready to write some instructions for our game. Again, a lot of prints. Okay. Be careful not to make any typing errors. Okay, now we're going to add our input command again, and we'll define a variable to the enter key. So the program can continue running. Input and $sign. Okay. Okay. The program is not finished yet, but let's run the program and we can have a better understanding of the command statements right now. Okay. I'm pressing the run key. Okay. As you can see, when it's run, we see the printed statement, the first printed statement, and when I press the enter key, as we have previously defined the variable for our input command, it clears the page and says your help is needed, because we have written this statement before with the CLS command. If we hadn't put the CLS command, the page wouldn't have been clear. Okay, we're right here right now. If we press the enter key, it won't do anything. Okay, now we can continue writing our program. Okay, I'm gonna add another CLS command to clear the page and continue writing. Okay. Now, since this is a medley style story, we're gonna have to define our own variables to tell the story, and I'm going to say type the name of your favorite vacation spot. And this is not a print command statement. This is an input variable, because once we define the vacation spot in the story, it has to put the vacation spot in to fill the blanks. So we're gonna need an input command statement for this. Let's continue, and it will define a variable